Hi, my name is Tamanna Walijan. I'm from class 7. Today I'm going to present a science experiment which is called the rising water. So the material required are a bowl, a glass, a candle, a lighter, and a colored water. So let's get started. First we will take our water colored and put inside the bowl. And now we will take our candle and light it up. And now we will place it carefully in the bowl, just like that. And now we will take our glass and put on top of the candle and see what happens. As you can see, the water rises up as soon as the flame goes out. And you wonder, how does this happen? And how does this work? I will tell you how does this happen. The flame uses up the oxygen in the cup, creating low pressure. Atmospheric pressure then tries to force its way in because the water at the base of the cup has created an airtight seal. The pressure difference between the inside and outside of the cup causes the water to rise until the pressure inside the cup is equal to the pressure outside. Thank you.